Assalamu alaikum. A very good afternoon, galaxy of intellectuals, Your Excellency, invited guests, and all who have joined us today for Womanistan Moksh Alpha Awards and Nursing Pandemic Angel Awards, presented by Mehnaz A.G. Nadiadwala Foundation. On behalf of Mehnaz A.G. Nadiadwala Foundation, I, Zebunisa Malik, extend a very warm welcome to you all. There is a saying, when life is rough, pray. When life is rough, pray. When life is great, pray. To initiate the program on a positive note, we start with Tilawate Quran Pak.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجان من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان رب المشرقين ورب المغربين فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يخرج منهما اللؤلؤ والمرجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان وله الجوار المنشآت في البحر كالأعلام فبأي آلاء
O God, forgive our living and our dead, those who are present among us and those who are absent, our young and our old, our males and our females. O God, whoever you keep alive, keep him alive in Islam, and whoever you cause to die, cause him to die with faith. Now, is the time to introduce डॉक्टर मेहनाज नडियाडवाला. सो उनके लिए मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, जो दिल का हो खूबसूरत, खुदा ने ऐसे लोग कम ही बनाए हैं. जिन्हें बनाया है आज वो हमारी महफिल में आए हैं. सो एन एम्पावर्ड वुमन इज अ सीकर. शी टेक्स स्टेप्स टू डिस्कवर हर लाइफ पर्पस एंड डेडिकेट्स herself to living in a way that aligns with it. She knows that living her purpose will bring meaning and fulfillment to her own life while improving the life of those around her. कहा जाता है कि परिंदों को मंजिल मिलेगी यकीनन, ये फैले हुए उनके पर बोलते हैं। अक्सर वो लोग खामोश रहते हैं ज़माने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं। तो ये ऐसे हैं हमारे डॉक्टर महनाज नडियाडवाला जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं। सो इट गिव्स मी एन इमेंस प्लेजर एंड प्राइड टू इंट्रोड्यूस टू यू ऑल President of Mehnaz A.G. Nadiadwala. So I request Mehnaz Madam, you have to welcome all our guests. Yes ma'am, over to you.
Okay, Jazakallah. Zebunissa, Jazakallah so much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया for your kind words. I have miles to go, और inshallah my work, I don't want my surname or the way you look to be speaking about me, but I want my work to talk for itself. और बहुत आप लोग सब आए हैं हमारे e-webinar पे. To our chief guests, now I would like to welcome all our chief guests today. This is beautiful, Zebun. This is really beautiful. Thank you so much. It means a lot, the beautiful artwork that you have done. Womenistan Moksh and the Pandemic Angel Awards. First and foremost, I would like to thank the team of all the doctors and the viewers also who have been present over here. So a warm welcome. I start with Zahabia Khurakiwala. She was very sweet and kind enough to collaborate with our trust of Mehnaz A.G. Nadiadwala Foundation to give us all the nurses and the doctors' numbers and their emails and all the ones who were hands-on during the pandemic time. So ये एक बहुत challenging वक्त हुआ है कि इतने सारे हमारे लोग गुजर गए हैं, friends हैं, हमारे family members हैं, हमारे we have lost nurses, we have lost doctors. So the idea came into us is that we said, let us celebrate the hard work that they have created, all the hard work that they have done. So I said, let us commemorate and let us celebrate all the hard work of the health work, the frontline workers, the nurses, the doctors, and also the alpha of, men who have supported the women during this pandemic. So I would now start with my welcome address to Zahabia Khurakiwala. She's the MD of Wokhad Hospital. Zebunissa, do we have to do the welcome right now, or are you doing it along with the bouquet?
It will be after that, ma'am. You have to just introduce them.
Okay. So we have with us Zahabia Khurakiwala. We have Dr. Huzaifa Khurakiwala, the CEO and trustee of Wokhad Foundation. We have all the way from England, Dr. Awais Bukhari, cardiologist from UK, and he's the entrepreneur of Harley Street Consulting Clinics. Faisal Wahidna ji of Muhammad Ghazi Wahidna Foundation from UAE. We have Bu Abdullah, we have Ashraf Abdelli, all the way from California, who's woken up at 3 a.m. He's a senior vice president of California Bank and Trust. We have Sabir Saeed, the Alpha Award winner. And we also have Pranab Pani of Talent Gate, who's also the Alpha Award winner. And we have our president, Zebunissa Malik for Maharashtra State. And to all my viewers from the hospital, the nurses, and all our guests, a warm welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. So I must say, Mehnaz Nadiadwala is a film producer, author, and woman activist. She has come to release a film, It's a Girl, which is now on Disney Hotstar. So Mehnaz Nadiadwala is a woman activist working for gender equality. Her service on the cause has been a benchmark through social work, where her focus has mainly been on concrete results in the implementation of gender equality policies, as well as shift towards prevention of violence against women and the involvement of men and boys in the field of gender equality work. She is recipient of the Mother Teresa Award. She was given to her, it was given to her on January 21st. So I think there are more to say, but I will switch to our guest. So मुझे बोलना था कि today we have a distinguished guest with us. Now we can say that बुझते हुए चिराग फरोजा करेंगे हम. आज बुझते हुए चिराग फरोजा करेंगे हम. तुम आओगे तो जश्न चिरागा करेंगे हम. तो मैडम आपसे हम जश्न चिरागा कर रहे हैं. सारे हमारे गेस्ट को लेकर. We'll move to, now is the time to introduce a very great young and dynamic lady, and today's chief guest, Miss Zahabia Khurakiwala.
A very good day to all of you. It's an absolute privilege for me to be speaking to you all today. Unfortunately, I can't be present with you live for this webinar, and so I'm sending a little message. The last 18 months have really been one of the most difficult times that we've all lived through. COVID-19 has crept into all our lives, and we've seen a real have been infected with COVID-19. 4.5 million, close to 4.5 million lives have been lost, and India has been quite at the center stage of this, with about 10 to 15% of these numbers coming from India. Our healthcare workers, our frontline workers have risen beyond and stepped up to really give themselves to seeing us through this pandemic, doing what is needed for their patients every single day. We at Wockhardt Hospitals have also been at the forefront of treating COVID-19 patients. Many of our hospitals have been converted to only COVID hospitals so as to be able to cater to the massive influx of patients that we've seen. And, you know, just as every other country and every other healthcare system, we've also seen some tremendously heroic. I would like to thank Dr. Mehnaz Nadiadwala and Professor Zebunnisa Malik for organizing this award ceremony. Thank you very much for inviting me.
ये थे मैडम ज़हाबिया खुराकीवाला. खुराकीवाला has a matter of fact approach to both success and failure. She said ups and downs are inseparable aspects of running a business. Shrugs the 33 years old managing director of the rupees 253 crore Wockhardt Hospital. She has learned her calm from the best. Her father, Habil Khurakiwala, chairman in groups, it certainly helps her confidence that since she assumed a larger role in 2010, Wockhardt has been the launch of its largest hospital in South Mumbai, as well as the introduction of several new hospital departments like pediatric, cardiology, mother and child care, and aesthetic and plastic surgery. Even though her older brother Huzaifa and Murtuza were already working with their father, for Zahabia, who joined Wockhardt Hospital as executive director in the year 2010 and was promoted to managing director later in the year, joining the family business was not a given. So I can say that हमने अभी ज़हाबिया को सुना, तो इनको सुनकर दे अनसुनी आवाज़ नहीं, मिलकर भूल जाए कोई ऐसे इनके अल्फाज नहीं, किसी महफिल में छुप जाए ऐसे इनके अंदाज नहीं, सूरज से दमकते हैं ये किसी परिचय के मोहताज नहीं. तो ये थे हमारे मैडम ज़हाबिया. Now from the Mehnaz A.G. Nadiadwala Foundation, so Zahabia Khurakiwala is awarded for Womanistan Pandemic Angel Award for the year 2021. So madam, please accept this. Thanks a lot. Now I am moving to the next guest. With great pleasure, I now welcome Dr. Huzaifa Khurakiwala, Chief Guest, Alpha Awardee, Founder and Trustee, Wockhardt Foundation. Dr. Huzaifa Khurakiwala has been recognized as a great humanitarian for his efforts for the betterment of the needy. He heads Wockhardt Foundation, which runs several programs in health, education, water and sanitization across the breadth of the country. An MBA from Yale University, USA, Sir Dr. Huzaifa Khurakiwala is the Executive Director of Wockhardt Limited and is part of the promoter family of the Wockhardt Group, a leading pharmaceutical and healthcare group. He is the founder of the World peacekeeper movement, an online movement comprising of more than 2 million peacekeepers, forming the world's second largest army. It is based on the 7 P's value of gratitude, forgiveness, love, humility, giving, patience, and truth. So, for this contribution to society, his contribution is many. He has received many prestigious awards. Till then, we can count 72 so far. So, sir, I welcome you with the saying, हयात लेके चलो कायनात लेके चलो, हयात लेके चलो कायनात लेके चलो, चलो तो सारे ज़माने को साथ लेके चलो. So here I request sir to enlighten us with his kind word.
Hi, this is Dr. Huzaifa Rakhiwala, I'm the CEO of Bukhat Foundation. I would like to compliment Mehnaz Nadiadwala of Nadiadwala Foundation for the wonderful initiative in honoring the doctors and nurses, and I wish her event a grand success, and I wish her all the best. Thank you.
Yes. Hello to everyone, and thank you for inviting me over here. It is my pleasure to be over here, and I would like to thank Mehnaz ji for inviting me here. And the Mehnaz A.G. Nadiadwala Foundation for many years has been doing very wonderful work, and we have done quite a few projects jointly along with the foundation. And COVID has created a lot of problem in the world. It's a pandemic, and so a lot of difficult times people have struggled with, especially the healthcare workers have struggled a lot, the doctors, the nurses, and they have undergone a lot of difficulty and struggle, and many people have had COVID infection, and many of them have lost their life, and a lot of bravery is required. So it is very appropriate that Mehnaz A.G. Nadiadwala Foundation, in honor of the great work done by the COVID workers, they have instituted these awards. And it's a very good initiative of the foundation. And the Womenistan Moksh Alpha Award and Nursing Pandemic Angel Awards are indeed a tribute to the great work done by the healthcare workers. And I would like to congratulate all the awardees. And I thank you once again for inviting me over here, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Dr. Huzaifa Rakhiwala is awarded Alpha Men Award for his outstanding contribution towards women empowerment. Please accept this award, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I now move to the next guest. So I take the privilege to introduce to you all a very great personality. Our chief guest and Alpha awardee, Dr. Awais Bukhari, cardiologist from UK. Dr. Awais Bukhari is also a platinum sponsor of the program. सर के लिए मैं कहना चाहूँगी, किसी को बेसबब शोहरत नहीं मिलती है ए वाहिद, किसी को बेसबब शोहरत नहीं मिलती है ए वाहिद, उन्हीं के नाम है दुनिया में जिनके काम अच्छे हैं. Sir, this is dedicated to you. It's my pleasure to speak about you, Dr. Awais Bukhari, owner and CEO at Harley Street Cardiology Practice, international branches in London, Dubai and Prague, Chief Examiner MRCP, Royal College of Physicians, cardiologist to international celebrities and heads of states. He was appointed as a research registrar at St. Thomas Hospital before moving on to take up the role of Registrar of Medicine at the Midway Hospital and subsequently at the Royal Berkshire Hospital. In 1989, he became the Senior Registrar of Cardiology at Royal Gwent Hospital and University Hospital, Cardiff, a position which he held for 3 years. Dr. Bukhari went on to become both assistant professor or cardiology at United Arab Emirates University and a cardiologist at Mafraq Hospital in Abu Dhabi, where he remained for 12 years. For the last 7 years of his time there, Dr. Bukhari was also personal physician and cardiologist to Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the President of the United Arab Emirates. We welcome you, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Awais Bukhari. I'm the director of the Harley Street Consulting Clinics group of companies. It's been an honor and a pleasure to be a part of this webinar organized by my friend Mehnaz and her foundation in the honor of the tireless work done by the nurses, healthcare professionals, and paramedical staff throughout the world during the pandemic. It's been an honor to be the sponsor and the chief guest at the webinar. I look forward to seeing you all, and I hope and pray Mehnaz's foundation goes from strength to strength. Thank you and best of luck.
Over to you, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Awais Bukhari. I'm the director of the Harley Street Consulting Clinics group of companies. It's been an honor and a pleasure to be a part of this webinar organized by my friend Mehnaz and her foundation in the honor of
Sir, you are not audible. You are muted, sir. You are muted, sir.
Right. Thank you very much, Mehnaz, for the kind words. We are here to acknowledge and honor these selfless healthcare workers who have shouldered the burden of caring for our sick and dying during these trying times all over the world. Our divine creator tells us that if anyone saves one life, it would be as if he has saved the life of the whole humanity. Now think of all the lives saved by these angels we are honoring today. They have the compassion of God, treats every human being as their own child, irrespective of the patient's race, religion, or creed. I myself vividly recall my days as a junior doctor, and I am proud to declare that I was taught many skills by nursing colleagues that I still practice today as a consultant interventional cardiologist. So they are all patients bedside day and night. They are never given the credit they deserve. They are never given the limelight, and it's here today that we honor them for everything that they have done for us, everything they have done for the humanity. So it is here today we say thank you, and thank you for everything. May God bless you all, and may God bless Mehnaz for the wonderful work that's been done. Godspeed. Thank you very much.
Mike इधर है.
Thank you, sir. Good to hear such kind words from you. Now it's the time to present the award. Dr. Awais Bukhari is awarded Alpha Men Award for his outstanding contribution towards women empowerment. Please accept this, sir. Thanks a lot. Now, I would like to introduce and welcome our next chief guest and Alpha awardee, Mr. Faisal Wahidna. He is also the co-sponsor of our today's function. Mr. Faisal Wahidna, he is from Wahidna Group. It was established at Wahidna Trading Company in 1996, Dera Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The company's core business activities are focused on retail, wholesale, import and re-export. It deals in all major brands of cell phones, home appliances, IT products, telecommunication, office automation and consumer electronics in the region and around the globe. The group has successfully grown over the years with strong customer base in Middle East, Asia, Europe, Africa and CIS countries, Russia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan and many others. Now today, the group owns 4 companies in the UAE, 2 retail showrooms in Dera, Dubai and an online e-commerce portal eDubai Me. Wahidna Group also supports several NGO programs in the field of medical and education throughout the world. Our founder strongly believes in giving back to the society and helping the less fortunate, hence setting out a special fund for the underprivileged. This is their vision. So I must say that for sir, मैं अकेला ही चलाता जानिबे मंजिल मगर, मैं अकेला ही चलाता जानिबे मंजिल मगर, लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. So I request Mr. Faisal Wahidna sir to enlighten us with your thoughts. Over to you, sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you, Ms. Zeba Malik, for your kind words. बस ये आप सब लोग की दुआएं हैं, माँ बाप की दुआएं हैं और अल्लाह का फजलो करम है. बाकी हमारे में तो कुछ भी नहीं है. वी आर नथिंग. और इस कोविड के अंदर तो वी हैव ऑल कम टू नो दैट एक्चुअली वी आर नथिंग. और जो कुछ है वो सब रब है और सब लोग की जो दुआ है उस वही चीज़ से आदमी आगे बढ़ता है. सेकेंडली, महनाज जी के साथ में तो हमारी फैमिली का बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है. ग्रैंडफादर्स के टाइम से रिश्ता है, फादर्स के टाइम से. एंड वी हैव वेरी वेरी फॉन्ड मेमोरीज ऑफ आवर फैमिली एंड हर फैमिली. एंड वी होप इंशाअल्लाह ये हमारा अभी वापस से एसोसिएशन हो रहा है कुछ ब्रेक के बाद में. इट विल कैरी ऑन फॉरवर्ड and help us and help her in achieving more great such functions and helping nature. ये कोविड में जो दुनिया चेंज हुई है और इसके अंदर जो डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेस और मेडिकल, इसका शुक्रिया गुजार तो मीन्स आई थिंक द वर्ल्ड हैड फॉरगॉटन द वैल्यू इन द मिडिल टाइम्स ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स एंड द नर्सेस स्पेशली. लेकिन इस कोविड में it has reignited and everybody has come to know कि what a great service, selfless service. यानी आज आपको अगर पता चलता है किधर कोरोना है तो आप जाते नहीं हो वहाँ पे. ये तो उस फील्ड के अंदर दिन रात घिरे हुए और फिर भी बिना कोई लोभ के जाते हैं. तो ये बहुत ही बड़ा अल्लाह का करम है कि ऐसे लोग भी है दुनिया में जो अपनी जान को हथेली पे रखकर दूसरों की खिदमत में. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इफ यू गो टू सी, ये अगर आपने किसी की, जैसा एक डॉक्टर साहब ने फरमाया, सेविंग वन लाइफ इज सेविंग ह्यूमैनिटी. तो आई ऑल्सो बिलीव कि जो भी आप कर सकते हो, चाहे छोटा चाहे बड़ा, जिसका जो भी सोर्स है जैसा भी है, ये कामों के अंदर, नेक कामों के अंदर हाथ बटावे, आगे बढ़े. सवाब देने वाला अल्लाह है और आपको इसके अंदर बहुत सुकून भी मिलेगा और आपके लिए इसके अंदर इस दुनिया में और उस दुनिया में दोनों में इंशाअल्लाह इसका सवाब है और अजर करीम है इंशाअल्लाह. महनाज जी, आप सब लोग को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आपने इस अवार्ड को रखा, एंजल अवार्ड्स को. ये बहुत ज़रूरी था सबके लिए और ऐसे ही बहुत से NGOs काम करते हैं. मेरा नाम जो NGO का मेरा जो बिजनेस वो एक अलग फ्रंट है. NGO मोहम्मद गाजी वाहिदना, जो हम लोग की फैमिली बहुत पहले से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आप जानते हो ये चैरिटेबल फंक्शन में और ये सब इसके अंदर माय ग्रैंडफादर लेट हाजी अब्दुल वाहिदना एंड माय फादर्स एंड अंकल्स वर ऑल अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैरिटेबल वर्क और बहुत सालों से जुड़ा हुआ है. तो ये फैमिली जो मैंने बनाया अपने NGO, ये हम लोग मेरे अनफॉर्चुनेटली बट ये अल्लाह की मर्जी है, इसमें कोई कंप्लेंट्स नहीं है. I lost my young son Mohammad Ghazi, age 21 years old, in a car accident in Dubai in the holy month of Ramadan almost 8 years ago. और मैं उसके नाम से Allah has said that He puts test on people and you have to be acceptable. So we have accepted that and instead of that हम लोग ने उसके नाम के ऊपर ये फाउंडेशन हमारा खुद का रखा है and we help other foundations जो नए काम कर रहे हैं. हम जितना भी है उसके कतरे के अंदर उनके समर्थन में हम हमारी तरफ से अगर एक कतरा बूंद डाल सकते हैं अच्छाई का, तो बस इसी नीयत से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. मैं आप सब लोग को, अवार्डीज को, सब लोग को विश करता हूँ. स्पेशली डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेस का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि जो अपना इस कोविड के महामारी में, इस पेंडेमिक में अपनी जानों को हथेली पे रख के पब्लिक की सेवा के लिए आए. And I wish all the best for the NGOs of Mehnaz ji and you all, and hope to be a part of it together, inshallah, for the future. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much, sir. So, Faisal Wahidna is awarded Alpha Men Award for his outstanding contribution towards women empowerment. Please accept this a token of love from us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Thank you.
Now, I take the honor to welcome and introduce another great personality, Mr. Ashraf Abdelati, our Chief Guest and Alpha Awardee, and also the co-sponsor of the program. He is a graduate of Pacific Coast Banking School in 2018. He is responsible for sales and marketing strategies, growing and managing all of the divisions, business lending activities. He assists commercial bankers and relationship bankers and branch managers in qualifying, underwriting and approving their deals. He loves structuring the deals and negotiating the deals with the clients. He excels in providing tailored banking products to clients. I request sir to say a few words. Before that, I will say, सोचों में नई सोच, अदाओं में एक अदा रखता है. सोचों में नई सोच, अदाओं में एक अदा रखता है. बात करने का अंदाज बड़ा दिल नशी रखता है. न किसी लुत्फ पर हैरान है, न किसी उलझन पर. न किसी लुत्फ पर हैरान है, न किसी उलझन पर. वो शख्स तो हर शख्स से अंदाज जुदा रखता है. So I welcome Ashraf sir to inspire us with his kind words. Over to you, sir.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ashraf Abdelati, Senior Vice President with California Bank and Trust, and it is my great pleasure to come to you today from the City of Angels, Los Angeles, California, United States. It is my privilege and honor to be called upon as the chief guest for the e-webinar by Mehnaz A.G. Nadiad Wallah Foundation for the wonderful cause of honoring the nurses and doctors who have sacrificed so much and contributed greatly in this pandemic. I'd also like to thank the foundation for honoring me with the Alpha Award. I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the webinar. See you there soon. Bye-bye.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Thank you very much, Ms. Zaina, Ms. Ziba Malik. I really appreciate those kind words. And thank you, Dr. Mehnaz Nadiwallah. I appreciate the honor. It's truly a great honor to be named among some of those other named colleagues that have been named previously. I don't feel as worthy, obviously, among this honored guests. Thank you for honoring the doctors and nurses that have suffered in the front lines trying to save their patients from this terrible disease. Here in the United States, it ravaged us like it has in India and in England and all parts of the world. I've seen it firsthand. I've had some close friends who passed away from this terrible disease, and I also volunteer at Humanitarian Day, also a couple of food drives that organizations that are involved in, and we were able to adapt and see how we're able to help the families that have lost their jobs because of this pandemic, how we're able to go out and give them food. We used to have them come in to our location and like in a shopping cart format and collect their food. And we changed it with the COVID structure. Now they come in their cars, driving in their cars, and they just come in, they open up the trunk. We give them their food. We give them about 2 weeks worth of food, and we do that every 2 weeks. So we were able to take care of, in Humanitarian Day, about 1,000 families. And my other organization, we have about 250 families every couple of weeks. So it's been very rewarding to be able to give back to the community and help others that are in need for this terrible disease. So thank you very, very much for this great honor. Truly appreciate it.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Thank you for the inspirational speech. Now is the time to present the award. Stop करके start sharing. फेस आगे जाओ एक और वाहिद में अशरफ सर अशरफ सर का This certificate is proudly presented to respected Ashraf Abidility, sir. He is awarded Alpha Men Award for his outstanding contribution towards women empowerment. Kindly accept this award, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. It'd be my honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now, we are pleased to have with us today Mr. Zaki Ahmed Khan, our chief guest, Alpha awardee. He is a very well-known personality, Supreme Court lawyer, professor or So I must say, मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, मुश्किलों से भाग जाना आसान होता है, हर पहलू जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है, डरने वालों को कुछ मिलता नहीं जिंदगी में, लड़ने वालों के कामों में जहां होता है. Sir, this is for you. I request you to say a few words. Over to you, sir.
Hi, this is Zaki Ahmed Khan, Advocate, Supreme Court of India. I would like to compliment Mehnaz Nadiadwala of Nadiadwala Foundation for the wonderful initiative in honoring the doctors and nurses. Also, a huge congratulations on Alpha Awards launch. This was much needed for those men who have empowered women. I warmly accept the Alpha Award. I wish a grand success to Megan Foundation and all the best to Megan Foundation in all their future endeavors. अल्लाह पाक महनाज नाडियाडवाला को दोनों जहां में कामयाबी अता फरमाए. आमीन.
So it's a pleasure. This certificate is proudly presented to respected Zaki Ahmed Khan Sahab. He is awarded Alpha Men Award for his outstanding contribution towards women empowerment. Sir, please accept this award. Thank you very much. Our next guest, Dr. Bu Abdullah, a very
eminent and great personality. Dr. Bu Abdullah is an Emirati businessman of par excellence, having his expertise in law and business. And he currently owns more than 270 companies in Asia and other parts of the world with his company, Bu Abdullah Group of Companies, which includes real estates, legal firm, and business consultancy. His humble nature and competence have helped him connect with top people from different walks of life, including influential people from political circles from the Middle East and Asia. Dr. Bu Abdullah currently is a Guinness World holder, and he won big round of applause for being the first Emirati to visit the Lok Sabha in India for the Atal Bajpai Awards 2019. Dr. Bu Abdullah plays a critical role in nurturing the concerns of non-residents and ensuring the communal unity among the NRIs in the Gulf region, and with his good connections in Bollywood. We never know, he would embark with one project in the Tinsel town soon. We welcome you, sir.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Bu Abdullah from UAE. I wish my sister Mehnaz Nadiawala all the best for her upcoming award on August 13. Inshallah, see you there.
This certificate is proudly presented to respected Dr. Bu Abdullah, young entrepreneur. He is awarded Alpha Men Award for his outstanding contribution towards women empowerment. Kindly accept this award, sir. Thanks, sir. Thank you. Okay. So our next awardee is Mr. Sabir Sayyed, who has been a great support in this drive. So I can say that किसी को बेसबब शोहरत नहीं मिलती है ए वाहिद, उन्हीं के काम है दुनिया में जिनके काम अच्छे हैं. So I would like to say about him. Mr. Sabir Sayyed, he is an entrepreneur and information technology consultant, engineering graduates from BITS Pilani. He did his MBA from Mumbai University and doing research scholar in the area of digital marketing from Mumbai University. He is the alumni of International Visitors Leadership Program USA. He is also working in the field of information technology and IT skills development for the past 25 years. He is there in the many board on various NGOs and charitable trusts for helping them in the IT field. Now I request Mr. Sabir Sayyed to say a few words, inspirational and motivational thoughts we want to listen from you. So I request you to please share a few words. Over to you, Sabir sir.
You all can hear me now clearly. Am I audible clearly?
Yes. Now it is on.
I think these technical glitches are out of our hands, First of all, let me thank Dr. Mehnaz Nadiadwala for the excellent work what she is doing, and the Maharashtra President, Ms. Zaibunisa Malik Madam. You are doing great work. Your organization, see, a lot of people do work during the pandemic or situations which arise out of emergencies, but recognizing them is a big deal. And I sincerely, appreciate the efforts what you all have put in to recognize people who have really worked hard in this difficult times. These times were very difficult. I remember when the first wave of the pandemic was there, I with my team, we were on the road every day serving about 3,500 people. We used to serve 3,500 meals a day. We used to distribute food afternoon and the evenings, and such a situation, even the son was not taking care of his father, or the daughter not taking care of son. This is how things were. So in such a situation, frontline workers have done real great job, doctors and nurses. They deserve something, just an award is not enough for them. Prayers and appreciation for decades together would not be enough to appreciate them. And then the initiative taken by AG Nadiadwala AG Foundation is really commendable, and I'm thank you for awarding me and recognizing the effort which I have taken. Allah is there for us, and I pray He bless us all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sabe sir. Thank you very much. So now, this certificate is proudly presented to Sabir Sayyed, Director Next Gen Marketing. He is awarded Alpha Men Award for his outstanding contribution towards women empowerment. Sir, kindly accept this award. Thank you. Okay, now I would like to present our next awardee, Mr. Pranav Pani. I must say for तदबीर के दस्ते रंगी से तकदीर दरक्षा होती है, तदबीर के दस्ते रंगी से तकदीर दरक्षा होती है. आई कैन से मीनिंग ऑल्सो कि अगर हम लोग अच्छे लाइक तदबीर जिसको बोलते हैं हम के स्ट्रैटेजीज फॉलो करते हैं तो हमारी तकदीर दरक्षा होती है. कुदरत भी मदद फरमाती है जब कोशिशें इंसान होती है. सो दिस इज फॉर यू सर. एंड so I must Parab Pani sir, 27 years of unbeatable knowledgeable and leadership experience with a stellar track record of scaling the market share and profitability. Parab Pani has gained 25 years with successful startups, turned around and high growth companies, including 9 years of experience in the telecom, digital switching, 10 years of experience in IT, software product services, and 7 years of experience in infrastructure domain, aviation, energy, power and water. His devoted business insight and comprehensive knowledge of increasing operations while leading strategies activities has allowed him to create a positive effect on the organization's bottom line. In the professional consultancy, he has especially assisted IT, aerospace, engineering, infrastructure and e-commerce companies in the securing funding from PEs and VCs while acting in the advisory role. Drafted business strategy and communication and PR documents. So I request sir to say a few words. Over to you sir.
Good evening, namaskar, assalamu alaikum to everyone. Thank you so much, Manas AG Nadiadwala Foundation, which presents this Womanistan Moksha Alpha Awards and the Nursing Pandemic Angel Awards today, and the august presence of so many globally eminent people from various fields, particularly from the healthcare, the medical field, which is very close to my heart. Yes, this pandemic has disrupted our lives and the livelihood together. It has taken away, snuffed out lots of innocent lives across the world, and that's very painful. We do remember, we do recall those people. We pay homages to those departed souls. But in honor of the people, the doctors in particular, all the frontline workers, the doctors, the nurses, all the NGOs and the people who have been extending their helping hand to the people who are affected by this pandemic badly, saluting to them. Yes, it's a great honor to be with all of you eminent people who are trying to, while earning your livelihood, you are trying to create a smile in someone else's face. And that's wonderful. Because I always say, humanity is the best religion. And it's always together we can. Thank you, all of you. Take good care of yourselves. Support others. Keep smiling. Life is always beautiful, but we must take care of this earth. We must take care of the environment, the ecology. We know the climate change, which is another thing which is going to kill the humanity tomorrow. Let us take care of this earth, which has allowed us to live for ages. Support people, help people. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, my dear Manas. God bless you. God bless all of you. Thank you and namaskar again.
So it's my privilege, proudly presented to respected Pranab Paniji. He is awarded Alpha Men Award for his outstanding contribution towards women empowerment. Please accept this award from us. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I accept it with honor.
So I did like to invite Dr. Mehnaz Nadiadwala, ma'am, for his permission so that we can start the Nurses Award.
Yes, please do.
Yeah. So going far beyond the call of duty, doing more than others expect, this is what excellence is all about. And so far, our awardees who have shown this quality, overall 60 awardees are there, which includes doctors and nurses from the Bokar Hospital. Their certificates will be sent to them on their email IDs. But due to time constraints, we will announce names of 19 awardees for now. I would now like to start with online award certificate distribution ceremony. Okay, so I will start the names because we are running late. All the certificates are we are sending to their email IDs. Number 1 is Miss Neha Nestor Keria. She is awarded Nursing Angel Award. Shiji Shibu, Miss Shiji Shibu, she is also awarded Nursing Angel Award. Krishna Joy, she is also awarded Nursing Award. Miss Shruti Shri Kumar, awarded as a Nursing Angel Award. Miss Natasha Fernandez, awarded as a Nursing Angel Award. Miss Grace V. Ononi, awarded as a Nursing Angel Award. Miss Aksha Susan K. Jose, awarded as a Nursing Angel Award. Miss Vinita Satpal, she is also awarded as a Nursing Angel Pandemic Award. Miss Justina James, she is also awarded Nursing Pandemic Angel Award. Gladys George, she is also awarded a Nursing Pandemic Angel Award. Miss Ashley Yeppen, she is also awarded a Nursing Pandemic Award. Miss Nishamol Zicharia, she is also awarded Nursing Pandemic Angel Award. Miss Rintu Reji, she is awarded as a Nursing Pandemic Award. Namrata Munzil Dunga, she is also awarded a Nursing Pandemic Award. Miss Shrutika Santosh Chautikar, she is also awarded Nursing Pandemic Award. Means Nancy Mims awarded as a Nursing Pandemic Award. Miss Ritu Ranjni Beck, she is also awarded a Nursing Pandemic Award. Miss Brenencia Joel, she is also awarded a Nursing Pandemic Award. A list is 60 doctors and nurses are there. So we are sending all the certificates and everything to their email ID also, soft copy. We are sending them. So all are congratulated. You all are the आप लोग जो जिस तरह आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं, and I think from my college yesterday also one person he came from Bokard, and we are also doing one this drive for the vaccine. So I am very much thankful to you all. You all are the backbone, and आप लोग ही रियल हीरोज़ हैं जो हकदार हैं इस अवार्ड के. और ये अवार्ड तो बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ है, एक छोटा सा टोकन ऑफ लाइक फ्रॉम एप्रिसिएशन आई कैन से, कि जो आप लोगों ने किया उसको ये कोई अवार्ड रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता. जहाँ तक मैं समझती हूँ कि जिस तरह आप हॉस्पिटल में नर्सेस एंड डॉक्टर्स एंड आप लोगों ने जो काम किया है, तो यू ऑल आर द रियल हीरोज़. और हम दुआ करते हैं अल्लाह से कि आप लोगों को अच्छी सेहत दे, आप लोगों को लंबी उम्र दे, ताकि इसी तरह आप लोगों की खिदमत हमारे लिए आप लोग जिस तरह आज फाइट कर रहे हैं, जिस तरह सोल्जर्स आज लड़ाई करते हैं हमारे, ताकि जो लोग हैं सिविलियंस उनके लिए कि वो लोग अच्छे से रहें, उसी तरह आप लोग हैं जो हमारे लिए पूरा फाइट करते हैं. और बहुत 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 मुबारकबाद आप सबको महनाज एजी नडियाडवाला फाउंडेशन की तरफ से. मैं महाराष्ट्र प्रेसिडेंट ज़ैबुन्निसा मलिक, प्रिंसिपल साबुसुद्दीक पॉलिटेक्निक, हमारी तरफ से भी आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक. और आज इस अवार्ड में आने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ महनाज जी से कि लास्ट रस्म है जो हमको अदा करनी है. महनाज मैम, so we would have to say vote of thanks.
So बहुत बहुत जज़ाकल्ला, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोग सब आए इस वक्त निकाल कर इस वेबिनार पे, ई वेबिनार पे. Thank you. First and foremost, I would like to say to all my chief guests, Rabia was traveling, so she could not make it, but we had a video bite. Huzaifa, Dr. Huzaifa Kurakiwala from Wockhardt Foundation, Ashraf Abdul Latif from California. Then we have Dr. Awais Bukhari all the way from England. Then we had Boo Abdullah. And so coming back to the vote of thanks is, yes, I have thanked Dr. Huzaifa, Boo Abdullah, Awais Bukhari, and all the technical team, the back-end team, Saber Said, Pranab Pani, for coming on board as our alpha winners. The Wockhardt Hospital, we can see the auditorium full with all the nurses and doctors viewing our program right here. And to all my viewers, the nurses, the doctors, keep the good work on, and hopefully ye waqt bhi guzar jayega. This shall also come to an end, and inshallah we shall meet in better times, healthier times. And I hope this small little gesture which is out from our trust is just to recognize the great work that you all have been doing selflessly throughout the nights, hours together. So जो आप लोग ने जो ये एक शुरू की है जंग, you all are the best army officers, and the best army I would say for India is our doctor and our nurses. So alhamdulillah, jazakallah बहुत बहुत इस webinar पर आने, and thank you so much. I will take your leave. Jazakallah.
Thank you very much all. Thank you. Once again, thank you very much to all for attending a function and making it grand successful. We all are very proud and thankful to all our frontline workers also who have worked day and night to serve humanity. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Recording stopped.